Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a custodial account on Robinhood. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria as the custodian. You'll need to provide personal details for both yourself and the minor beneficiary. Gather necessary documents like social security numbers and birth dates. The application process is straightforward, typically completed online through the Robinhood app or website. This account type is excellent for investing in a child's future. To begin, the custodian must be at least 18 years old and a United States resident. You will need the minor's full legal name, social security number, and date of birth. The application involves filling out a digital form on the Robinhood platform. Be prepared to upload identification documents for yourself, such as a driver's license or state ID. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays in account approval. Once your custodial account is approved, you can fund it using various methods, including linking a bank account for transfers or initiating a wire transfer. Robinhood allows investments in a wide range of assets, such as stocks, exchange-traded funds, and options. As the custodian, you will make all investment decisions, guiding the portfolio's growth until the minor reaches the age of majority, typically 18 or 21, depending on your state. Remember, assets placed in a custodial account are considered irrevocable gifts to the minor. This means they cannot be reclaimed by the custodian. Be aware of potential tax implications, such as the kiddie tax, which might apply to unearned income above a certain threshold. It's wise to consult a tax professional for personalized advice. Also, for great deals and to stay refreshed, check out the link in the description for the Owala water bottle and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.